Watch the coolest phone hacks in our new video. Are you afraid that your phone may slip out of your hands? Put on a couple of elastics on top and bottom. It's okay now. The phone doesn't slip over the tabletop. You won't flip it off accidentally, and it won't slip out of your hands. I hate taking off my gloves to answer a message when outdoors, but I've got a great idea how to avoid it. Sew down a piece of metal thread ribbon to the index finger of one glove. Attach a square piece of foil on the other one. Use double-sided tape. You've got clever sensor gloves. Keep your hands warm while working on your phone. Use these smart gloves and forget about having cold fingers. It's time to take a group selfie, but someone's again out of frame. Another's head is seen in half and your arm serves as a selfie stick. You'll be able to avoid all these problems with this simple trick. Unwind some tape. Place your phone inside the roll. Put rubber on one side of your phone. Twist it to make it crossed and pull it onto the other side. Attach the tape to the wall or door. Set a timer and take the coolest group selfies ever. Your phone also needs cleaning and special care. Use a syringe. We'll need a new syringe with a needle. Blow all the tiny sockets and holes with an air jet. Your smartphone would thank you, if only it could talk. Do you need to draw a picture quickly and easily? Your smartphone can help, even if you've never been good at drawing. Find a picture on your phone and trace it on white paper. Define the details by hand. Use this hack to trace any image from your phone screen. Are you a champion in phone games? Upgrade your skills with a smart joystick. Cut out a thin spiral from a plastic cup. Curl it using scissors. Coil the spiral. Cut out a small piece from packing foam. Shape a circle. Wrap it in foil and hot glue. Attach the button-shaped detail to the plastic spiral. Hot glue it all around. Make a few loose coils and hot glue. We've got a moving button. Pass a rubber band through the spiral coils and fasten it. Repeat for the opposite side. Put the joystick on your phone. This smart gadget can help you get better results and move to a higher level in your favorite phone game. It's so inconvenient to hold your phone in your hands while watching a video. You get tired quickly and never enjoy watching the video. Make a practical phone holder from available materials and forget the problem. Use a little picture stand. Set your phone on it. You can place it either horizontally or vertically. Your hands are free. You can get a snack while watching your video. Are you out of the appropriate stand? A DIY holder will be the right alternative. Draw a curve on thick cardstock. Cut it out. Use a ruler to fold the detail. Trace the cutout to make the other side. Cut out the whole element. You can make such a practical holder quickly and easily. It's a perfect way out if you don't have a little plastic stand. Return the picture to its place. Use the DIY holder to enjoy your videos. I've got another smart idea. I need your sunglasses. Use your folded sunglasses to let your hands stay free while watching a video. Put your phone on the unusual stand. You don't need any DIYs to accomplish this idea. Make it easy. Your sunglasses are always on hand. There are no DIYs, just your sunglasses trick. Do you want to feel like you're in the future? Turn your smartphone into a 3D hologram projector. Draw an isosceles trapezoid on squared paper. One base is 3/8 inches. The height is 1 plus 3/8 inches. And the other base is 2 plus 3/8 inches. Cut off a clear plastic part from the file. Trace the trapezoid. Shift the plastic to get another trapezoid having the same leg with the first one. Trace it again. Repeat until you get a broken pentagon. It consists of 4 trapezoids, each having one same leg with the neighboring one. Cut out the pentagon outline and its inner part. Fold across the trapezoid legs using a ruler. Tape the opposite legs to get a right frustum. You've got a 3D hologram projector. Now, download a special 4-sided hologram video. Place the projector on the screen in the center of the video. Turn off the light and enjoy the futuristic scenes. Let's make a stylish and functional phone holder containing cheap DIY speakers. Trace a paper towel roll on the bottle. Cut it out. Make the same detail from another bottle. Cut off the top. Trace the outline of the bottom of your phone on the cardstock roll. Draw the slit to fit the phone. Cut it out. Wrap the scrapbook paper around the roll. Mark the slit. Cut it out. Apply the white glue to the roll. Join the details. Be careful to put the paper slit over the cardstock one. Press down. Decorate the plastic parts. Use the sponge and acrylic paints. We painted them partly to make them more intricate. Attach the decorative tape to the edge. Attach it part by part. First, one half, then the other. Assemble the holder. Put the cardstock detail into the plastic ones. It's time to put in the phone. Done! We've got a futuristic design article holding the phone at the right angle. In addition, the stand contains 2 speakers to amplify the sound of your phone. If the weather doesn't allow you to take outdoor shots, make a green background inside. Decorate the wall with paper plants. Attach them with double-sided tape or pins. It looks like a real photo studio. Are you dreaming of a wedding photo session? With this smart hack, it's no problem even if you have neither a bridegroom nor a dress. Find a piece of tulle and a bridesmaid to take a picture of you. Your friend should hold a piece of tulle in front of the camera to create a veil effect, and the bride is to smile dreamily. The wedding picture is ready, and if the bridesmaid has succeeded in taking the photo, invite her for your real future wedding. Let's make a stunning summer decoration for your phone. A juicy strawberry will do perfectly. Take a piece of plastic. You can cut it out from a used plastic envelope. Smear it with fatty cream. Squeeze a thick layer of the hot glue. Shape a strawberry. Imitate leaves on top. Spread the cream on and all. Make seed-like holes in the warm glue. Mark the border between the leaves and the berry. Color the strawberry with nail polishes. Take white nail polish and a thin brush. Paint the holes white. Make the top pink. Now, use a bold red color. The further down you go, the darker. Paint the bottom burgundy red. Make a few darker strokes on top of the lighter coat to make the strawberry look natural. Remove the excess nail polish from the notches. Use the awl. Color the leaves. Use 2 green shades. Add a little blue. When mixing with green, it'll transform into a teal shade. It's so tempting! Attach it to a monochrome phone case. The eye-catching red strawberry will transform your phone into a gorgeous summer accessory. You'll need your notebook for another cool photo hack. Take a picture of a little object on a big bang background. Find the picture you want to be your background. Make it full screen. Take foil. Place it on the stand. Put the little object you want to shoot in the center of the universe. Place a paper screen in front of the light source. take bright pictures. Cool! Subscribe to the Troom channel and click the bell to watch the most interesting videos you've ever seen.